Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if some application is crashing or freezing on your Black Shark Pad 7. Let's take this application as an example. The first thing that we can do about it, if the app is crashing or freezing, is to simply restart the tablet by short pressing power button or power button combined with volume up key, and then selecting restart option. Wait until your device is relaunched, and then give it about a minute to launch again. After that, try reopening the application, and if you're still having issues with it, you can open its page in the Google Play Store and see whether it requires an update, or simply open the Play Store. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Manage Apps and Devices. See your updates. And if you find your application right here, just update either it by itself or all the applications that you have on the list. And then try reopen your application. Okay, so let's wait for the installation to finish. After that, try relaunching your application, and if you're still having issues with it, just hold your finger down on the app and then go to App Info. This will redirect you to the apps menu in settings, and instantly will open the page of this application. Now what we can do here is go to storage and cache data of this application, clear the cache, and if you clear the cache of this application, it should immediately fix it and you'll be able to open it. But if not, you can also clear the storage of it by tapping this icon, which will also sign you out of this application, so you're gonna have to sign in to your account once again. But it might also resolve the issue you're having with this app. So after performing these two operations, you'll be able to enter your app. And as a last resort, simply delete this application. To do that, hold your finger down on the application, select App Info, Uninstall, confirm. Then go to Google Play Store and reinstall this application once again. Like this. Besides, also check whether your tablet is updated itself, which you can do by going to Settings, scrolling down to System, going to System Updates and check in for available ones. And if you do have one to install, take your time to do so. After that, your issue will be resolved completely. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.